this room, but it's very sticky though. It used to be very sticky. Alright, anyways, the first thing you will need for this is, is this over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's removable labels. This is how it actually looks. It is very, very sticky. See? Okay, you're going to need that. Make sure it has removable stickers on the packaging. You're going to need that. Just to keep it. You're going to need some handy dandy scissors. These are wrist cut scissors. Yeah, you can barely see it. Make sure you be careful with this. Have adult supervision if you're a little, if you're a kid, I guess. You're not a kid, but I'm just telling you guys to be careful. Okay, next thing you want to have is a piece of paper with your drawings. Not my little brother Rudy. These are supposed to be TNT. He actually never put NTN, that's not fun. We're going to be cutting out those. Oh, you can either print like anything, like Road Kuma, I don't collect those little stuff anymore. But yeah, those stuff. You can print those out, or like a window. You're going to need any sort of a pen marker. I'm just doing mine black and white, so I'm just going to use regular pen. You're also going to be needing anything you want to secure with. That includes scotch glue, or undead glue stick. This is permanent scotch glue. That's what this is. And the other option is to use some tape with it. This is pretty old. This is Dollar General tape, as you can see here. It's kind of hard to see, isn't it? It says Dollar General backwards, because this camera. Anyway, transparent tape works best, because if you, it won't work very good. Now, this is how transparent it is. I'm sorry if it's not that transparent, but it is very transparent on paper. You stick it on and test it out. Okay, so here it is. Right here. It's very hard to see. Right here, I'm not going to make that. You can kind of see. Here's the other one. Anyways, you're going to need that. And that's practically it. So, the first thing you want to do is I'm going to talk pretty fast and do this, but also you can pause it if you want. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to put your picture. Thanks for watching. Hope I supported. Make sure you comment down below which craft inspire you use the most. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and bye.